ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চেনেল মাষ্টাৰ অফ গ্ৰামাৰ। প্ৰিয় শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকল, আজি মই তোমালোকৰ বাবে লৈ আহিছোঁ ক্লাছ 10ৰ টি ফ্ৰম আসাম এই পাঠটোৰ কুৱেশ্যন আৰু এনচাৰ লৈ। তোমালোকে এইবিলাক নোটবুকত লিখি মুখস্থ কৰিবা। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1টো কি আছে? Who are Pranjal and Rajbir? Rajbir আৰু Pranjal কোন আছিল? Pranjal and Rajbir are classmates. They read at school in Delhi. Question number 2. Who is Rajbir classmate? Rajbir classmate কোন? Pranjal is Rajbir's classmate. Next question. What is Pranjal's father? Pranjalor দেউতাক কি অর্থাৎ কি কাম করে? Answer. Pranjal's father is a manager of Dhekhiabari tea estate in Upper Assam. Next question. Why has Rajbir come to Assam? Rajbire কিয় অসমলৈ আহে? Answer. Pranjal has invited Rajbir to come to Assam during summer vacation, so Rajbir has come to Assam. Question number 5. Who did call out in high-pitched voice? Chai garam garam chai. Kone chai garam cha বুলি কোনে চিঞৰি কৈছিল? হাই পিচ মানে উচ্চ স্বৰে চিঞৰা। Or how did the vendor call out as chai garam garam cha? ভেণ্ডৰ অৰ্থাৎ চাহ বিক্ৰেতাজনে কেনেকৈ চাই গৰম চাহ বুলি চিঞৰিছিল? আৰু এটা ইয়াৰ অৰ আছে, what did the vendor call out? ভেণ্ডৰজনে কি বুলি কৈছিল? Answer. The vendor called out in high-pitched voice as chai garam garam chai. Next question to কি আছে? What is Pranjal asked for to the vendor? Pranjale vendorজনৰ পৰা কি বিচাৰিছিল? Answer. Pranjal asked for 2 cups of tea from the vendor. Question number 7. What was almost everyone doing in the compartment of Pranjal? Pranjalor ৰেলৰ ডবাটোত প্ৰায় সকলোৱে কি কৰি আছে? Answer. Almost everyone in the compartment of Pranjal was drinking tea. How much cup of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? গোটেই পৃথিৱীটোত প্ৰতিদিনে কিমান কাপ চাহ খোৱা হয়? Answer. Over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk throughout the world every day. Question number 9. Why did Pranjal not share Rajbir's excitement? Excitement অৰ্থাৎ আনন্দ। প্ৰাঞ্জলে কিয় ৰাজবীৰৰ এই আনন্দত ভাগ লোৱা নাছিল? Answer. Pranjal had been born and brought up on the tea plantation, so he was well known to them and did not share Rajbir's excitement. Next question. Describe the magnificent views seen by Rajbir. Rajbire দেখা মনোরম দৃশ্যটো বর্ণনা করা। Sea of the tea bushes begins against the backdrop of densely wooded high hills, and this sea spreads as far as the eye could see. The tiny tea bushes, there were groups of tea placards. They were seen as doll-like figures. In the distance, there was smoke billowing throughout the chimney of a dirty building. Next question. Describe the Chinese legend about the discovery of tea. চীনৰ সাধুকথাটো বৰ্ণনা কৰা। Answer. According to the Chinese legends, once an emperor always boiled water before drinking. One day a few of leaves of twigs falls into the water which was boiling. This boiling water gave delicious flavor. These leaves are called tea leaves. Next question. Describe the Indian legend about the discovery of tea. চাহ আৱিষ্কাৰ সম্বন্ধে ভাৰতীয় সাধুকথাটো কি? Answer. The Indian legend about the discovery of tea is an ancient Buddhist ascetic named Buddhidharma cut off his eyelid because he felt sleepy during meditation. When put in hot water and drank, vanished sleep. Who described the legend about the discovery of tea to whom? চাহ আৱিষ্কাৰ সম্বন্ধে কোনে কাক সাধুকথাটো কৈছিল? Rasbi described the legend about the discovery of tea to Pranjal. Question number 14. When and where was the tea first drunk? কত আৰু কেতিয়া আৰু কত চাহ প্ৰথম খোৱা হৈছিল? Answer. Tea was first drunk in China in about 2700 BC. Question number 15. Mention 3 Chinese words which are related to tea. চাহৰ লগত সম্পৰ্কিত 3টা চাইনিজ শব্দ লিখা। The Chinese words which are related to tea are chai, chini and tea. Question number 16. When did tea come to Europe? Why did the European take tea? কেতিয়া ইউৰোপীয়সকলে চাহ খাইছিল আৰু ইউৰোপীয়সকলে কিয় চাহ খাইছিল? ইয়াত দুটা প্ৰশ্ন আছে। Tea came to Europe only in the 16th century. The European took tea more as medicine than as beverage. Question number 17. What do the tea pluckers have with them at the time of tea plucking? চাহ তোলাৰ সময়ত চাহ তোলোতাসকলে অৰ্থাৎ টি প্লাকাৰসকলে কি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিল? Answer. When the tea pluckers plucks newly sprouted tea leaves, they have bamboo basket on their back and they wear plastic apron to keep them clean. Next question. Why did Pranjal's father slow down his car on the road? প্ৰাঞ্জলৰ দেউতাকে ৰাস্তাত কিয় গাড়ীখন স্লো ডাউন কৰিছিল অৰ্থাৎ স্লো কৰিছিল বা মন্থৰ কৰিছিল? Answer. Pranjal's father slowed down his car to allow a tractor to pass. Next question. What flush or sprouting period yield the best tea? চাহ উৎপন্ন কৰা আটাইতকৈ স্পাউটিং পিৰিয়ড অৰ্থাৎ আটাইতকৈ কোনটো সময় বেছি উপযুক্ত বেছি ভাল? The second flush or sprouting period yield the best tea. It lasts from May to July. Last question, question number 20. Describe the ঢেকিয়াবাড়ি tea estate seen by রাজবীর। রাজবীরে দেখা ঢেকিয়াবাড়ি চা বাগিচার বিষয়ে বর্ণনা করা। When the car in which they were driving veers off the road, they crossed a cattle bridge and entered the ঢেকিয়াবাড়ি estate. On both sides of the gravel road, there were acre upon acre of tea bushes. All were neatly pruned to the same height. They নহয় to দি হব। The tea pluckers were plucking tea leaves wearing plastic aprons. And they have a bamboo basket on their backs. The road was somehow narrow, so Pranjal's father slowed down his car to pass a tractor. প্ৰিয় শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকল, ভিডিঅ'টো যদি তোমালোকক ভাল লাগিছে এটা লাইক দিব আৰু চেনেলটো যদি এতিয়াও ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই আৰু তোমালোকে যদি এনে ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ MCQ এইবিলাক ক্লাছ 10ৰ বিচৰা তেনেহ'লে মোৰ এই চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।